Okay, this is Barb and I am back with another meal. And this is going to be garlic toast sandwiches. Okay, that is like a pound of hamburger. I'm going to rinse my hands. Always rinse your hands when you're handling meats. Okay, but I think everybody knows that, but I don't know. Sometimes you never know. We can have some beginner cookers in here, and nothing against that for sure. Okay, turned on the wrong burner. Okay, there we go. We got the right burner on. I want to put just a little bit of water in that. Just a little bit. And then we're just going to let that cook up. Once we get this cooked, then I'm going to come back, clean out any oil that might be in there, and we're going to drop in a large tablespoon of garlic. But for right now, let's let her cook. Oh my goodness. I had push play and nothing recorded. So, what's happening is I had soaked up all of the grease out of the hamburger with a towel. And then I put in one heaping tablespoon of garlic in here. And then, like I said, we're doing a budget, okay? So I was able to get this cheaper. $1.39 compares to $2.89, okay? So I put that in there. We are going to let this kind of like simmer away, simmer down. Oh, and I threw like a tablespoon of Italian seasoning in there too. Okay, so garlic and Italian seasoning and pasta sauce. Along with that, we're turning this oven on to 375. While that is simmering, turn that down because I'm boiling it and it's getting all over my stove. And then what I did was I got the generic box of Texas toast. We're going to pop that in the oven until it is done. Ooh. You have to put a lid on that bad boy. Okay, I'm going to let that simmer down, and I'm going to let that toast get toasted. Okay, this is done. And what I want you to do is like smash down, make a little well inside of your bread. Because that's where we're putting the hamburger. Okay, I'm going to put this down. I just feel I'm going to drop it. And when we put the meat onto the bread, we're going to top that with some mozzarella cheese. Yum! I love mozzarella cheese. And I think I'm going to put a little bit more on this one. And a little bit more on this one. Okay, and that's what that looks like. I'm just going to use bag shredded cheese. I don't have any of my own shredded cheese in the freezer. Have to go shopping. after we put the mozzarella on our bread, we're going to pop that back into the oven just for a few more minutes, just until the cheese melts. This looks like I was a little bit cheap there. I really like garlic bread. And honestly, I tasted that sauce already. Oh my God. Amazing. Okay, we're going to put this now back into the oven until that melts. Okay, and now all of the cheese is melted. And we're just going to want to get in there and scoop one of those out. Oops. I'm always birding myself. Did you see me? I just took this out of the oven and then I grabbed the pan. All right, I want to show you what I've done. You don't have to serve this with anything. Heck, you could just put a few of these on your plate and be happy with that. I had warmed up some carrots and I just made a small little side salad. I think I'm going to try to take a bite out of this. Just give me a minute. Hey, baby dog. Okay, I took a small bite. And it's delicious. Definitely try this one, okay? You're going to love it. I think you're going to love it. Okay, friends, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos, I will be trying to do some more budget-friendly videos. But always, keep cooking, friends. I love you all.